Special Olympics Delaware is well known for supporting thousands of athletes with intellectual disabilities across the state in traditional Olympic-type events. The organization also supports athletes with physical and intellectual disabilities through the Motor Activity Training Program. However, these participants are unable to take part in the official Special Olympics competitions because of the required motor skills that they need to play.
Working with the programs at Special Olympics Delaware, along with local adaptive technology expert and physical education teacher Frank Hughes, we set out to build equipment that can allow all athletes to participate in sports on a level playing field.
One challenge was finding a sporting event that appeals to people of all types of ability and ages. The sport also needs to challenge and stretch the ability of the athlete to promote personal growth.
Any equipment needed to play the sport has to be inexpensive to manufacture or purchase so that organizations such as the Special Olympics can provide the equipment to their athletes at no cost.
Bocce is also our biggest sport for our area programs. And so there's no question that anything that we do to enhance the sport of bocce impacts more athletes than any other sport that we offer.
Our solution is a multifunctional bocce ball ramp that is designed to be compatible with a variety of levels of motion. The ramp has three main functions, each for different abilities of the athletes.
Jordy was able to roll a ball by pressing a button with her head, triggering the motorized launch of the ball thanks to the motorized function of our ramp.
Brendan is able to pull his arms toward himself, using the swinging bar to make his shot.
Truss is able to use the ramp manually, placing and releasing the ball independently to make a shot. Volunteers or family members can also use the ramp manually if they wish to play with the athlete.
It's the function of this device that is the best part. I have one device that I'm putting out in a field for 7 kids, and using one single ramp, all 7 kids of all different abilities are playing the same game together with nothing else but that device. I'm pretty positive that's the coolest thing that I've done in 5 years.
We designed the machine using online CAD software and conducted a finite element analysis test to ensure its structural integrity.
We also programmed a small circuit board to recognize input from existing adaptive buttons and then actuate a small servo motor to set this ball into motion.
3D printing allowed us to produce a small number of custom parts, such as a housing for circuitry or custom joints for PVC pipes at a very low cost.
Compostable and recyclable PLA was chosen to reduce environmental impact. Our devices are affordable and durable so that they will be well used for many years to come, instead of being thrown away after a short lifespan.
While Special Olympics Delaware currently serves over 4,200 athletes with intellectual disabilities within our community, this number will broaden to include more athletes with physical disabilities using this adaptive bocce ball equipment.
You've created an inclusive sport. That's the best way I can put it. Now we have touchpad bocce when we do our bocce event. And so that's exciting for us.